Nice fake. Hartman, nasapal ni Ira Clark ang Super Volcasil tapal right there. And again, Hartman, parang when he saw Clark going up, parang he didn't go strong to the basket.
Exactly. Well, alam naman niya siguro, manipis siya, no?
Hontiveros, tough shot. Clark skipping over a fallen Devon Harp.
But he was able to get the foul, so he will go to the line.
The athleticism of Ira Clark displayed in that play.
Yes, so you watch it here.
Ito yung sapal kanina. Nice pass again by Harp. Seeing his import there. Pero again, look at Ira Clark timing his block. That was in PLDT IDD slow-mo replay up to 75% off. Pwedeng i-play-by-play ang kwento sa mga kamag-anak abroad. 9-point lead para sa Batang Red Bull with the time down to 4 and 24. And Clark misses.
A rare 20-20 performance for Ira Clark.